Alright, in this video I'll show you guys how to use PayPal to pay on Stockx in 2025. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like, and make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any steps. So first thing you want to do is just select any shoe or like any apparel that you want. So I'm going to just select these shoes. And once you're here, just click on buy or bid. And now just select your shoe size. So for me, I'm going to select 14. Once you're here, scroll all the way down till you see your payment method. Once here, click on edit. Now on here, there's like 4 options. What you want to do is, for the sake of this video, you just want to click on PayPal. Now it's going to show up all your information. Just type it in and just click next. Once you're here, it's going to say select payment method and just select PayPal again. Now it's going to bring you to the official website where you can purchase. Once you're here on PayPal, all you have to do is just submit your order.